Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is March 12th, 2025, and this is a quick look at a stock possible trade. No trade recommendation, just showing you what's happening in the market right now with this particular stock, NVIDIA. I said it again, I said NVIDIA. And all. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. This is the way I like looking at stuff a lot of times. I do have to use some additional indicators, but the basic stuff is good enough, a lot of times. And what I'm looking at is a quarterly chart, a monthly chart, a weekly chart, and a daily chart. And what I see here everything is still looking pretty bearish. We still have a bearish pattern here, a bearish engulfing. We're still below the 9-10 moving average here. We're still below there with this candle here. We're still below the 50 moving average also here on the weekly chart. But on the daily chart, we got what I call a pro gap. This gap right here that was made in the market this morning, that's what I call a pro gap. As long as this gap is not filled by the end of the day, I would be expecting something like what happened back here. That was a small one, but this is a much bigger one. And I expect a run and all. It may not break this previous high, just like this one did not break that previous high. This one may not break this previous high here, and we might continue on down. But for me, the way I trade sometimes, I am holding NVIDIA still. Just have a very few shares now. I've scaled way back on what I had. But I'm thinking about maybe should I sell a put? Should I buy some more shares? And should I just try to ride those few shares again, up to, maybe this point somewhere up in this area here. And I say this area, up in this area here somewhere, I think it can go, anywhere from 130 to 140. No trade recommendations here. It's just what I'm seeing happening on the chart right now and what I think might be possible. And that's pretty much it. I see NVIDIA did make a pro gap this morning. Go back, the pro gap that it made was this gap right here in the market. I'm one who like watching gaps in the market this gap that it made here. And let me, I'll maximize this chart here since I'm kind of focused on this one, and maximize, delete, and then we'll recircle this right here. This gap here that was made, that's what I call a pro gap. Up, P-R-O gap, G-A-P. I know sometimes I sound funny. And expectation is just like back here. You had got one before. Expect something like this. Boom. But again, just like this previous time, it didn't break its previous high. This time again, it may not break its previous high. And that's what I see. And that's all I really want to share. Just a little observation for some of us who are trading NVIDIA Maybe it's a time, where if we were shorting it or had your put in place, if your put is still profitable, maybe it's time to take it off. No trade recommendation. Just trade towards your trading plan, your trading strategy, whatever you do. And this is what I see right now. That's it. Have a good one. This is Right Side Trader. Talk to you guys later. Bye.